Welcome to Historic Downtown Prescott. We just completed a project. Let's go take a look around. Sandra needed something low maintenance for her vacation home. In the front was just dirt and remnants of grass. For a low maintenance option, we recommended artificial turf with a paver border and a Weston stone block border for a garden bed planter. A hidden feature in this yard is all the underground drainage. When we were first on site looking at the front yard, there was actually water building up on the side of the foundation and going up against the siding. What we did, and you can barely see here, is install a drainage pipe that collects all the water from the backyard and the front and takes it out to the road. Our customer shares this home with their family, and a must-have was this outdoor entertainment area with plenty of seating. So they could sit here, 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 and here. A part of their big family was a couple grandbabies, which is why we installed this massive play area with artificial turf. We wanted to make sure it was safe, which is why we installed microban infill, which prevents bacteria from growing in the turf. If you're ready to start your project, call or text anytime, 928-910-4147.